Turkey continues to establish itself as a rising power in modern military technology, and its defense industry is once again in the global spotlight. After a series of extensive upgrades, Turkey officially began testing the fully upgraded Bayraktar AKINCI, its flagship unmanned combat aerial vehicle developed by Baykar Teknoloji. The upgraded Bayraktar AKINCI now incorporates a series of new enhancements in avionics, propulsion, weapons integration, and artificial intelligence systems. These upgrades aim to increase flight endurance, combat range, and overall mission autonomy. Dual-engine upgrades. This next-generation version of the AKINCI is powered by two upgraded turboprop engines, developed in conjunction with local and international partners. These engines significantly increase the drone's maximum altitude, range, and payload capacity. Upgraded weapons. The AKINCI upgrade program also focuses on weapons integration. The drone is now capable of using a variety of Turkish-made munitions, including SOMA and SOMJ cruise missiles for long-range precision strikes, and MAML and MAMT micro-smart munitions for tactical ground targets. Bozok laser-guided bombs and long-range missiles developed by TÜBİTAKSAGE. With an improved targeting system, AKINCI can now engage multiple targets simultaneously, day or night, in all weather conditions. The combination of precision strike capabilities, long endurance, and eye-based targeting gives Turkey a formidable strategic advantage in both offensive and defensive operations. Autonomous capabilities. And of the most significant changes in this comprehensive update lies in the integration of advanced eye-based flight management and combat algorithms. The AI suite now enables AKINCI to analyze the battlefield in real time, prioritize threats, and coordinate with other unmanned and manned assets during joint operations. According to Baykar engineers, this new AI system enables AKINCI to detect and classify multiple targets using internal sensors and electro-optical systems, carry out route planning and target targeting autonomously, share data with other platforms via encrypted communication networks. This capability effectively makes AKINCI the brain of Turkey's drone ecosystem, serving as a command and control center for smaller drones like the Bayraktar TB2 and TB3. The system can also operate in coordination with manned aircraft like the upcoming KAAN fighter jet, forming a manned-in-manned teaming multi-network designed to enhance Turkey's overall air superiority. The latest AKINCI can reach altitudes above 40,000 feet, carry payloads of up to 1,500 kilograms, and conduct missions lasting more than 24 hours. These figures place AKINCI in a comparable class to heavy UCAVs like the USMQ-9 Reaper. However, the Turkish system offers significant cost advantages and operational flexibility, making it attractive for both domestic use and export to friendly nations. Another significant step forward is AKINCI's integration of advanced electronic warfare and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance ISR systems. This allows the drone to operate in highly contested airspace where electronic jamming and radar denial are commonplace, equipped with synthetic aperture radar SAR, signals intelligence SIGINT sensors, and satellite communications links. The AKINCI can perform deep reconnaissance behind enemy lines. When the Bayraktar AKINCI first took to the skies in 2019, it was already considered a game changer. It reflected Turkey's shift from a country importing foreign drone systems to a self-sufficient defense force capable of designing, producing, and upgrading its own combat UAVs. However, recent comprehensive upgrades have transformed the AKINCI from a formidable platform into one of the world's most advanced UCAVs, rivaling, and in some cases surpassing, systems developed by the United States and China. The first official flight test of the upgraded Bayraktar AKINCI took place at Arlu Air Base in northwest Turkey, under the supervision of Baykar engineers and Turkish armed forces officials. The event attracted widespread attention, symbolizing Turkey's growing confidence in its domestic defense technology. During the test, the AKINCI demonstrated stable autonomous takeoff and landing sequences, smooth transition between manual and AI-controlled flight modes, simulated precision targeting and missile launch, and real-time coordination with ground control stations. The successful completion of this full-scale test confirms the readiness of the new AKINCI variant for operational deployment, paving the way for serial production and potential export contracts. Turkey's drone strategy has evolved significantly over the past decade. What began as an effort to combat domestic insurgent threats has now evolved into a comprehensive air warfare doctrine built on unmanned systems, The Bayraktar AKINCI serves as the core of this doctrine, a platform capable of performing long-range strike missions, suppression of enemy air defenses SEAD, and maritime surveillance. By integrating AKINCI with naval and air assets, Turkey can project power far beyond its borders, enhancing deterrence in key regions such as the Eastern Mediterranean. Baykar Teknoloji, led by Selçuk Bayraktar, has quickly become one of the world's most influential drone manufacturers, following the global success of the Bayraktar TB2, which is exported to more than 30 countries. Baykar is now positioning AKINCI as the next export-ready system for advanced military clients. Countries in Asia, Africa, and Europe have shown strong interest in AKINCI, attracted by its balance of performance, autonomy, and cost efficiency. For many countries seeking to modernize their air forces without relying on Western suppliers, Turkish UCAVs offer an attractive alternative. The fully upgraded AKINCI test demonstrates Turkey's increasing ability to independently design, manufacture, and operate advanced defense systems. This development strengthens its strategic autonomy, a key national objective in the post-F-35 era. Furthermore, the AKINCI program serves as the foundation for the next wave of drone innovation, including the Bayraktar Kızılelma, a jet-powered unmanned combat drone currently under testing, an eye-powered swarm drone system for coordinated attacks, and integration with Turkey's satellite communications infrastructure. Each of these initiatives reinforces Turkey's ambition to build a fully integrated, eye-based defense network capable of autonomous warfare operations. The comprehensive upgrade and successful trials of the Bayraktar AKINCI are more than just technical milestones. They signal the maturity of the Turkish defense industry and its emergence as a global leader in unmanned systems. Through continuous innovation, domestic production, and strategic vision, Turkey has transformed from a buyer of military technology to a manufacturer and exporter of advanced combat drones. AKINCI's new capabilities now place it among the most advanced UAVs available, becoming a symbol of Turkish engineering excellence and national pride.